Hello and welcome. Today I am going to show you how to make this carousel for your social media posts. By the end of this video, you will be able to make your own with simple steps anyone can follow. Let's dive into the process. First, go to Canva and choose custom size. Set it to 5400 to 1350 pixels. Click Shift plus R to show the rulers. We'll use the rulers to divide the carousel into equal parts. It's not exact, but it works great for our layout. Now let's begin by adding our text. Let's use this one. Duplicate it for all sections of the carousel. Change the background color. I'm going to use a gradient color. Now let's add some graphic elements here and there. I'm going to use the Instagram logo. Place it right here. Duplicate it to the other carousel parts. And I'll add a Canva logo too, since that's our topic. Resize it and drag it here. Duplicate it too. Use visuals that support your message. You can search in Elements or upload your own. Let's add a few more here. Now update the text. Adjust the text size. Change the color. Write your carousel topic in a divided and organized way across each section. Change the color. Since this is just a tutorial, it doesn't really matter what I use. Just go with what looks best for your post. Finish adding your graphic elements and that will be the result. Here is a quick recap of what we did today. Opened Canva and created a design with custom dimensions. Activated the rulers to divide the design. Divided the design into 5 equal parts. Added the text and duplicated it to the other parts. Adjusted the fonts and colors. Added graphic elements to each part of the carousel. Finally, completed the design by adding visual touches according to the content. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Canva tutorials.